Hello my friends. I wanted to show you the hail damage that hail caused. We had hail about a week and a half ago, size of peas, for probably, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. And the results from the hail on the fruit and the leaves, I'll show you really quick. So this is Asian pear. And here are the leaves. They're all, looks like it's got shot with a shotgun. All the leaves are ripped through with the hail. Pretty large hail for our area anyway. And it just really pounds everything. Look at that. That's the kind of damage it leaves, literally destroying the leaves. So if you had any crop, it would do the same. Well, here's the pear. It leaves these black dots where it hits, and they won't go away. See? So that's hail damage. And if you can prevent it if you had a mesh over top of your garden, but it gets really spendy. So for me, I'm not worried about it. A few dots on the fruit ain't gonna hurt, but if you're in selling fruit, it's a big deal. It can ruin the entire crops. So yeah, that's hail.